Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve a right triangle given the measure of the two parts, the length of the hypotenuse and the length of one leg. Example: triangle ABC is a right triangle at C. If side C is equal to 25 and side A is equal to 19, find angle A, angle B and side B. Express your answers in two decimal places. Solution: sketch the figure. So side A is the adjacent side of angle B. C is the hypotenuse of right triangle ABC. Using Ka for the SOHCAHTOA, that is, cosine theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Cosine B is equal to A over C. Cosine B is equal to A is 19 and C is 25. So 19 divided by 25 is equal to 0.76. By using your scientific calculator, angle B is equal to 40.54 degrees. So find angle A. We have already the value of angle B. Angle B is equal to 40.54 degrees. So we have angle A is equal to 90 degrees minus 40.54 degrees. Angle A is equal to 49.46 degrees. Next is find B. Using the Pythagorean theorem, C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. C is 25 is equal to A is 19, so we have 25 squared is equal to 19 squared plus B squared. 25 squared is equal to 625 is equal to 19 squared is 361 plus B squared. So we have 625 minus 361 is equal to B squared. 625 minus 361 is equal to 246. So B squared is equal to 246. To get the value of B, we are going to square root both sides, the B squared and 264. The square root of 264 is equal to 16.25.